Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome to this 2020 High Achievers Assembly as we recognise and celebrate the great success and the many, many achievements of the class of 2019.
We are all here to acknowledge and celebrate your achievements with you today, to congratulate you on your performance and also the commitment, persistence and hard work that has resulted in those very fine performances.
I think what I am most grateful to be taking with me from Santa is a healthy and positive mindset to facing challenges. Santa has taught me not to back down from things that are out of my comfort zone or that scare me, but instead to face them head on, in the spirit that believing in yourself is the first mechanism to success.